Thanks for joining us today as we check out this awesome 2017 Winnebago Fuse. It's a floor plan 23T and it's a Class C RV, but it really drives like a B+. You've got all that extra room with that slide. You've got a queen size bedroom, a really nice bath and a kitchen, and a great living room with like a really cool galley that has a really big fridge and so much more. Hey guys, it's Sonia here at Woody's Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. So you can see that it does have that Ford Transit chassis. It's got that really cool 3.2 liter inline 5 diesel engine though, so you're going to get great fuel efficiency and power. You've also got those awesome alloy wheels, and as we come over to the side, you'll notice it's got that Cummins own-in generator, so you've got that 2,500 watt Cummins generator. You've also got a 13-gallon propane tank, and back here you've got a 5,000-pound tow package, so you can tow up to 5,000 pounds. And on the roof you've got your solar panels, there's your digital antenna, and your roof-mounted AC. So you've also got that ladder, as you can see, and you've got that backup camera up top so you can see exactly what's going on. There's that power slide, and you've got lots of cargo capability. Really, really convenient. Over here you've got some power outlets, and there's your cable hookup. And you'll notice you've got this 10-foot awning, power awning, so you can enjoy the great outdoors without getting sunburned. There's your propane tank, and there's your batteries. So let's check out the inside. So now we're in the cab area, and you've got these super comfy cloth seats. These captain seats are super soft and comfy. You've also got these nice mirrors so you can see exactly what's going on the side. I love that little blind spot mirror too. And then as you head over to your steering wheel, you've got your cruise control, your cluster controls. There's your voice command, really convenient. And this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. And then as we head over to your media center, you've got lots of really cool options. You've got all your audio controls, so you can subscribe to Sirius. You can also connect absolutely free via Bluetooth or USB. There's your hands-free voice communication, so you can make or receive phone calls. And you've even got navigation, so you can enter an address. It's going to give you turn by turn directions. And you've also got lots of other apps, as you can see right here, and many settings. And up here, look at this giant backup camera you have. That's amazing. And then as we head down, you do have your air conditioning and heating. There's your 12-volt USB ports, cup holders, another USB port. And then up here, you've got areas for your maps and all your smaller items. So let's check out the good part. Let's go in the back. All right, so now we're in the queen size bedroom. You've got everything you need in here. The great thing about this is the slide, so you've got windows on all sides. You've also got your TV, you've got USB ports on both sides, you've got lights underneath here, and you've got your speakers underneath there too. And I love all of the lighting that they have throughout. They have LED lighting on the ceiling. You've also got this privacy curtain as well, so you can get all the privacy you need if you have other passengers with you. Really, really well thought out. And then you also have your bathroom area that has your really nice shower with your skylight. And this RV is just in excellent condition. I feel like it's brand new. You've got your sink, your toilet, your medicine cabinet, and more cabinet space. And I also love that it has a door here for privacy. You've also got lots of cupboard space. Here's your wardrobe. You can hang all kinds of clothes in here. And you've got lots of drawer space as well. And then over here, you've got all of your control panels, so you can see everything that's going on. There's your power slide. You've also got your solar charge controller, so you can see exactly what's going on with that. There's your water and your tank levels. Now this does have a 33-gallon freshwater tank, 43-gallon gray, and 40-gallon black tank. It's also got a 13-gallon propane tank, so you can see exactly what's going on. You've got your Suburban air conditioning and heating units. Really nice. And look at this kitchen. It's amazing. Excellent condition. You've got your High Point microwave. It looks like it's never been used. Of course, you have cabinet space up here. And I love the under cabinet lighting, so you can see everything. You've got a 3-burner, amazing Suburban cooktop. And look at that bath splash. So pretty. Of course, you have your Corian countertops, and again, lots of drawers. And look how far out those drawers go. Amazing. There's a big drawer. And then you have a drawer for all your remote controls. So you have all your remote controls with this. And you also got a large large cabinet there for your trash. And you've got this really nice cover. You can use this as a cutting board for your stainless steel sink. And it's got a pull-out faucet. Super nice. And then you'll notice it also has a power outlet there. You have a spice rack there. And you have that window to see your campsite and everyone having a fabulous time. You've also got more storage and a power outlet there. And look at that, you have more storage. I'll put some big items there. You've got under cabinets, lighting, and a power outlet right there. There's your speakers, and this does convert into a nice size bed for 2 people. You've got your dinette here, so you can enjoy your meals here. And then you have a super comfy sofa during the day. But I almost forgot. We've got that Norcold refrigerator freezer. Look at that, it's in excellent condition. And it's huge. This is pretty big. And then right here, you've got under, wow, look at that. You can put your pots and pans in there. And then over here, you have more cabinet space with those pull-out drawers. This would be a good spot for your pantry. You have all your lights over here. And another pull-out drawer. And there's your power awning right there. And then as we look up, you do have that 20,000 BTU AC unit and that nice electric fan. You have a 32-inch TV, and you have more cabinet space over there. So nice. And then look at this, more cabinet space. Wow. So if you're shopping for a RV that will sleep up to 4 people, that has all the comforts from home, that amazing solar panel, so you can go off-grid, you have that Awning generator, and so much more. Check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre mega lot where we have nearly 1,000 vehicles and RVs. And you can see all of our RVs just by going to rvbuying.com. I'm Sonia, until next time. Wow.